Hello, everyone. My name is Jacob Bollinger, and I am a platform engineer and Dynatrace architect here at RHONDOS. I'm with my colleague Austin, and we are going to be exploring some of the capabilities of Dynatrace's Davis AI. Austin?
Hey everyone, I'm Austin Reef. I'm also a platform engineer here at Rondos, and today Jacob's going to be answering some of my questions about Davis AI. So first off, Jacob, what is Davis AI?
Fantastic question. Davis AI is Dynatrace's custom AI algorithm that it is trained on both its documentation and live data, as well as data in each environment, in order to operationalize that data with custom alerting, notification, dashboard, and other kind of integrations to provide real operational and business critical insights into your data and remove a lot of the guesswork out of kind of implementing Dynatrace observability.
Okay. How can I use Davis AI with my PowerConnect SAP data? How can I leverage it?
Absolutely. So utilizing PowerConnect's pull of SAP data, we can operationalize a lot of this data with Davis AI by kind of utilizing the three main tenets or three main parts of Davis AI. The first is anomaly detection, the second is predictive analytics, and the third is their large language model based on custom kind of Dynatrace documentation and data. And so using a combination of all three of these tenets, we can create custom alerting and predictive use cases that will reduce the mean time to resolution for a lot of your incidents and provide that real-time insight into your SAP data.
Okay. Can you tell me a little more about the anomaly detection support that Davis AI offers?
Absolutely. So utilizing the Davis Anomaly Detection app, we can go in and set a specific pull of your SAP data. In this case, I'm setting up a pull of the success rate of batch jobs in our ECC ABAP systems. Once I get out the success rate, I can define an auto-adaptive threshold. What this means is Davis AI will go in and based on prior data within specific parameters and timeframes, it will set up a custom threshold as opposed to a static threshold based on your environment's data. And then it will record alert violations against that auto-adaptive threshold. And so it takes into account the volatility of your data and creates kind of custom thresholds to make sure you're only signaled or alerted uh, on those true violations of your data. And so as you can see here for our ECC SDE system, we are seeing a lot of volatility in our batch jobs success rate, and there aren't any alerts that would be generated by Davis AI because it's detected that this would be a signal or a misfire of these alerts because the batch job completion rate is behaving as it kind of always has, right? And so using this AI, we can really limit misfires and really get alerted on those critical operational insights that'll lead to being able to start work on these critical incidents a lot earlier and really leverage our PowerConnect data to get that one single view and reduce the mean time to resolution.
Okay. Yeah, I'm working with a mining or company in the mining industry, and I could definitely see myself using this in one of our use cases where we're consistently monitoring over 20 different system health metrics. So I could definitely see us implementing this to ease that up.
Cool.
So as far as prediction goes, can you show me some of the prediction capabilities of Davis AI?
Absolutely. So in both dashboards and notebooks, we can utilize Davis AI's prediction capabilities to make real-time data-based estimates on what the behavior of your system is going to be in the future. And so as we can see here, based on 18 hours of work process utilization data, which is this metric up here, split out by our log sources, I was able to go in and make this green line here, which is the forecasted prediction on what our CPU utilization on our work processes would be. And as you can see, it is within margins of error of what our actual real-time data that actually came in was. And so this Davis AI is able to take into account the volatility of your data and really understand what the true trends in your system are in order to make accurate predictions, right? And so as you can see here, the Davis AI was able to kind of stay in line with the peaks and valleys of what the true data was over this 6-hour time period. In addition, I've set up another one here on SM12 locks. And as you can see, this is almost directly in line here. This our forecasted data and the ideate data, our forecast is almost directly in the middle of what our real data was during the predicted time span. And so utilizing these predictive capabilities, we can put this into our dashboards to give real-time insight to both technical administrators as well as executives. When once alerted based on the anomaly detection, they can see what the system is going to do into the future, and using these insights can spin up more resources, cancel batch jobs, or perform real remedial steps to really fix the issue before it starts impacting users, resulting in downtime and lost revenue.
Okay. Yeah, I appreciate its ability to make accurate predictions regardless of the anomalous data. And then the LLM, what insights can I get from the Davis AI LLM?
Yeah, absolutely. This is one of Dynatrace's newest functionalities, and it takes this large language model trained on both your data and the documentation. And so you can utilize the LLM to come up with insights into new ways to leverage Dynatrace to really gain operational insights, as well as ways to kind of look through the documentation provided by PowerConnect and Dynatrace in order to find out the technical details that you need in order to meet your specific implementations requirements. And so you can really use it to save on your search time when looking through for specific steps to accomplish inside of your implementation. And then you can also use it to help generate high-level queries to really utilize the Dynatrace query language as well as Grail in order to really have true insight into your data and to adapt to problems as they come about and kind of write these customized queries in a faster and easier fashion.